right, so I'm standing on the edge of the dining room, looking into the kitchen. If I turn to the left, there's a door here. So this takes us into the one-car garage. It's got a couple steps down. Again, it's the concrete floor. HVAC looks new. I mean, it's still shiny. It's if the unit outside was 2020, honestly, I would expect the same. Let's see if we can find 2020. So yes, the manufactured only 2 years ago. So washer and dryer is going to be in the garage, but it is connected through the kitchen. So that is nice. New water heater too. I mean, so it looks like they have a filtration system as well. So big ticket items have been taken care of. Has a utility sink, washer. It would be an electric dryer for this. The panel is in here. You can see that this is a door to the exterior. This takes you to the grassy area where the pool is if you hang a left. Okay, and again, you've got a one-car garage in here. Has some height, so you can definitely get some storage in here. I would say that if you wanted to be garage parkers, it would have to be back to back, like one behind the other, and I don't know necessarily that it would fit unless you had a smaller car. So, but it does look like they have a garage door opener as well, which is nice. Okay, right back inside.